ClickBank Partner Program Review Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of the ClickBank Partner Program. If you're considering joining, I've included links in the description below. ClickBank is one of the most well-known affiliate marketing platforms, specializing in digital products like ebooks, online courses, and software. It's a great option for affiliates looking to earn high commissions, as many products offer payouts ranging from 50% to 75%, far higher than physical product affiliate programs. In this video, I'll cover how it works, who it's best for, key features, and my experience using it. Getting started with ClickBank is simple. You sign up for free, browse the ClickBank marketplace, and choose from thousands of digital products to promote. Each product has key metrics like gravity score, which indicates how well it's selling. Once you select a product, you generate a unique hop link, which tracks your referrals. When someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. Payments are made weekly or bi-weekly via direct deposit, Payoneer, or check, making it easy to get paid consistently. One major advantage of ClickBank is its high commission rates and recurring revenue options. Many products offer subscription-based models, meaning you can earn ongoing commissions for months. Additionally, ClickBank has a trusted payment system, ensuring you receive your earnings without delay. Unlike Amazon or other affiliate networks, where commissions can be as low as 1 to 10%, ClickBank's digital products allow you to earn significantly more per sale. However, there are some downsides. Since many ClickBank products are digital, quality varies, and some products may have higher refund rates. It's important to promote reputable products with strong customer reviews. Additionally, competition can be tough, and without the right traffic sources like SEO, email marketing, or paid ads, it may be challenging to drive conversions. In my experience, ClickBank is best for affiliates who focus on digital products, especially in niches like health, wealth, and self-improvement. If you have an audience that trusts your recommendations, ClickBank can be a highly profitable affiliate program. Overall, it's a great platform for both beginners and experienced marketers looking to maximize earnings. If you're interested, check out the links in the description and start earning today.